how to fix Valorant. Please restart your game client. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here device manager, and now make sure to update your driver. Click update, search automatically for updates, and that's it. After that, go back and now just type here services, click services, and now just scroll down, scroll until you find VGC, and here right click and then properties. Here you will find it like that. Select automatic and click start here, and then apply and OK. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.